FixNList, 17 showings, 1 week on the market, and we already have an offer. Our FixNList program is geared towards sellers looking to sell faster and for more money. Here we had a perfect townhome in Schaumburg for our FixNList program. On the first floor, we replaced all the flooring, installed granite countertops, and replaced all the light fixtures. On the second floor, we replaced all the carpeting, the flooring in the bathrooms, plumbing fixtures, and painted all the outdated trim white. With our program, we will minimize buyer inspection requests and streamline the process, ensuring that the transaction closes. If you want to see how your property can qualify for our program, contact me, Steve Budzik with iCandy Realty.